sketchbook ko din. Para makakapag-demo ako.
Kung malapit dito pwede mag-park? Sa dentistry ba talaga or
Hindi po, may parking po dun sa gitna. Di ba po pagka... kayo nagbuwa?
sa dentistry kami
Yung medyo malayo po dun eh. Parang meron po dito sa harap mismo na parking.
pwede. Sige.
First, mag-warm up muna tayo ng kamay mo. Para alam ko yung consistency ng kamay mo niya. You bring out your pencil.
Your pencils. I love you.
Love naman po niya ang art mo. Oh, love na love niya po. So,
Ang kapatid ko, fine arts din. AUP graduate din.
baka po familiar po sa...
Arnie Mallorca. Pero para siyang 2000.
Matagal na po. Dito na po
6
naabutan.
graduate.
Dito din po ako eh. Mga 2024 po ako graduate. So, your parents?
Under ano pa niya si
Sir Pagaduan.
Sir Pagaduan. Kaya kilala namin sa Titan.
Si Miss Pen po. Use your tuli. Ako mag-start sa kanya. So what I want you to do is have your exercise warm up. You follow what I draw here, ha? Square. Wave. Zigzag. Can you do it? Up until the end? Okay. Yeah, you repeat it up until the end. Kasi dyan po tinatest yung patience nila eh.
Nagka-piano lesson siya, kaya masyado talaga siyang patience. Nag-hike din siya, nag-rock climbing din. So, ang patience niya ay tested.
Okay po. Kaya nga po hindi po siya kagad nagreklamo, diretso na eh. Kasi po yung iba po, may mga umiyak po eh. So, first time po na yan lang po yung activities nila. May dala po ba siyang paints?
Apa, meron. Wala.
Since 2020 po siya.
Malapit na. Okay lang, i-video po ah.
Okay po. Okay lang din po ba mag-take po ako photo?
Oo naman.
Or hingi na lang din po ako ng copy sa inyo.
Parang masyadong malabo ang aking cellphone ngayon.
Sendan ko din po kayo.
Oo, sige po.
Kasama po kayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cute. Cute.
Check ko. Na ginagawa ko ka na writing ko yun, di ba? I remember.
Tell me when you're done, ha? Okay. So next is I'm going to teach you the tonal values. Do you know tonal values? Tonal values is the shade that goes from light to dark. So I'm going to make a template here for you to shade. You know shading, right? So that's what I'm going to make you do. Shading. Exercise lang naman po to. So watch me, ha? So this is the lightest. I'm going to shade it. Back and forth. Second one. Second one. And go here, more darker. Then go back again. Then again. And then again. And then the darkest. So this is how you do the shading practice.
Okay.
Then you do it here. So the first layer is to go from here to here. Start with nagaano pala ang kamay niya. Oh my God. Kaya niya na yung lighter eh. Kasi po yung iba pag nagsa-start, madiin talaga.
Magaling siya mag-color.
Mm.
So, since naka-homeschool kami, ang first 3 years namin as activities is more on coloring kasi may practice your patience.
Oh, yun nga po, pag sa art eh.
Patience talaga. So, I think na yung sa sa pag-color niya, yun na, niya na yung mga shade.
And then you start again here. Until the end.
That's true.
Sendan ko rin po kayo ng photos like.
Pwede naman kami itag na lang.
We start here again. Okay, done. Oh, here. Start again here. Then here, right? See if you see, do you see the differences? Does it go far or this still look the same? Do you think that looks still the same? So you have to go back from where it looks the same. It has to look like it goes from light to dark. So where do you think you're going to start again? For it to look like this, you see? There's a difference, right?
Here.
Okay, okay. So here's one, the two more that I gave you. I need you to choose from this 5 or yeah, 5, 6, and then you do the same but with the same patterns. Okay. You try like this. Same process, but you go back and forth. Okay? Okay. You do. But you choose whatever you like from it. Oh, gusto niya mahirap. Sige. Okay. And you fill in the whole box. Okay?
It's like the antler. The red deer. Kasi siguro ang design yan galing naman sa antler yan. Nakasan. Kaya ang design ng antler. Sa mga ka-homeschool namin, may art teacher sila, pero ano siya, dentistry.
Ano din naman po kasi sila artistically inclined din po. Ano po sila, more on sa medical side na lang. Sa amin po kasi visual talaga.
Pero since ano na nga siya, graduating na, so binubad na yung
Opo, madami po kasi silang mga pasyente.
Gusto mo talaga to?
Opo, ito po talaga ang ano ko. Pero more on sa, ang pinupurso ko po talaga, yung artistic exhibitions. Ito po yung sinaside ko po, yung teaching ko ng mga kids. Kasi masarap po mag-relieve ng mga from the start, ng practices.
Mga basic na.
Yung mga basic po. Tapos iba pa po yung nakaka-share ka po ng ano sa bata.
And you teach you also learn. You also
Apo.
improve your skill.
Yes po. Kasi sabay kayo gumagawa.
Kapatid ko man yung fine art, siya yung gumagawa ng mga libro.
Parang
Mga textbook
illustration.
naman sila,
Okay.
illustration. Ano lang siya, busy lang siya. Tsaka syempre yung mga patients nila ay pag di makamag-anak, talagang minsan ang patients ay
Iba po.
iba.
And when you go back and forth, it's okay if you swirl, overlap. It's okay.
So, digital fine arts ka rin.
Parehas pong traditional at digital kaya. Yun po kasi dito sa AUP, kaya po gusto ko. Kasi dalawa po yung hinahandle nilang fusion. Kayo po?
Medtech.
Edtech po.
Pero naging homeschool na na.
Okay lang din mo po yun. Trabaho din po ang pag-aalaga. Wala na po kayong tulog niyan, day and night.
Next week pala wala kami kasi may medical mission. So, next
You go back from here, start here. And then you can go over. It's like this. If I go back from here, I can add more. Just so that there will be differences. But with the same, okay? I'm gonna go through the spaces also. Sure. As long as there will be differences, okay? Just to do it. Ano po ang nickname ni Kalikasan?
Kali.
Kali. Okay. Kaya pala Kali. Ganyan din pong name mo. Gusto ko ipangalan pag magkakaanak po. Okay, Maharly ka naman po.
Yan o.
Sinag.
Ayan, sila. Mga kaibigan namin, Alon,
Ganda. Hagad na?
Gunito.
Pwede kang mag-ganon-ganon. Like, ayan, pagka medyo...
Iba talaga yan sa hand. Practice talaga siya. Pero piano yan.
Oo nga po eh. Kita na po talaga.
Ano. Practice talaga siya. I love you.
Kasi meron po akong student na dito pa lang siya. Umiyak na siya. Kasi maano po talaga, mababa po ang patience. Kaya po in-art school sa akin.
So, kasi patience talaga.
Opo.
Tapos yung, ang art kasi, yung talagang pang distress, no? Me time, connect with yourself. Connecting talaga siya. Talaga.
Hindi ko na po kaya. Kailangan ng assurance. Pero po dyan nakikita ko na po.
I love you. Ang problema niya kasi nagbabasa yung kamay niya.
Ay, gusto mo ba ng
Yun talaga yung ano niya.
Usually sa amin. Ay,
Anong ginagawa niyo yun?
pag mga tumaliit na sketchbook. Ayan po. Sorry. Okay lang po.
Pagbasa yung kamay niya.
Ito ginagawa namin. Hanap ako ng free. Put this over your hand pagka ka. Ayan.
Ang galing dito sa art party.
Oo.
Masarap mag-aaral. Relax talaga. Anytime. Iniisip ko dun yung sa taas.
Apo.
Yung pala yung College of Medicine na pala siya.
Pa College of Medicine po. Ito
Ano
po.
ba dati dun from Prayer Garden?
And then one more for nails. Is it the straight line, the horizontal? You did the swirl. You did this is the waves, right? This is zigzag. You know the lines, the type of lines. Ano siya? Which one do you like? That one. Okay. I can do that. Bakit?
So, nanay, tatay mo, artist din.
Yes po. Pero-
Yung mami mo ba ang head?
Yes po.
Tapos nagbibenta ka rin yung mga artwork mo.
Yes.
Wow. Kaya nga sabi ko, ay, ano ka nakalimutan. Ang ganda niya kasi pwede mo mabenta.
Yes po.
Kasi
Actually,
pag mga-
keep po ni Kali yung mga works niya if ever i-ano niya yan. I-pursue niya po ang art life. Supportive po ba kayo pag kunyari mag-art life? Wow.
Oo naman.
Marami po kasing parents na hindi. Kahit
Mas maan pa kaya yan, mas mahal pa kaya yan.
si Mami nga po, ang tagal ko po pinaglaban sa kanya ang course ng fine arts kasi ang gusto niya po talaga magbenta po. Kaso kailangan ko pong mag-present sa kanya ng mga artworks na talagang papasok sa ano niya.
Kapatid ko, fine art siya. Talagang,
Striving mo. Thriving.
kasi mas mahal siya. Diba?
Pag nakuha nyo, pag nakapag-establish po kayo ng name, pag nakuha, ano po kasi at the start, syempre, tiptoeing pa po kung saan ka. Tapos pag nakuha nyo po yung talagang saan kayo mag-try, yun na, dire-diretso na po yun.
Malaki naman yun instead of maliit.
Okay lang, pag nandyan na po, lumalabas na po yung ano niya.
Diba? I love you, ka. I love you so much, my love.
Do you see any differences? If you don't see any differences, you have to add more. See, oh, there's a difference here, right? You go back.
Kasi mapapansin ko, parang ano lang, kahit na artwork lang, abot siya ng 10,000.
Apo.
Kasi ang binabayaran mo yung art.
Apo.
At saka yung skill niya. Hindi mo talaga yung mababayaran.
Apo, hindi po.
Binibenta
Kasi it
mo.
takes time po to create eh.
Yun
Sige,
talaga.
pinakali. Kita mo na, di ba may difference na ulit?
Ang kasi ngayon, dati yun ang ginagawa niya. Pag wala siyang, pag after yun na nang ginagawa, magdodrawing na siya. Tapos may time nga kami, pumunta kami kung saan nag-hot choco kami. Tapos pag gusto niya na umuwi, kasi gusto doon niya mag-draw. Hindi nga sinabi sa'yo yung
Opo.
nandun. So, talaga pag-drawing mo, ha?
Meron din po akong student. Ano na yung taon na po si Kali?
Makakait lang.
Oh, tapos ano na po ang kamay niya. Bilis na po talaga.
So, ibang bata na mahiling magsasurfing siya. Drawing na siya ng
Ito
drawing.
din po, may parents din po sa akin na gustong gusto. Ito naman po, nag-start na po siya. Pinapa-start ko po sila sa sa primary colors. Naman, maliit pa lang na sketchbook.
galing.
Yung, yung painting niya po, ito.
Wow!
Pero pa siya parang 11, magi-11 na po siya. Okay, you're done. Okay. So now let's move to the next page. Ano po ang paints na dala niya?
Mr. Paint.
Yeah. Okay po. Andyan po muna. Kasi
Tsaka
ang
may oil siya dito.
pero pinakamahirap po ang oil eh.
Ah,
Ay,
talaga?
pastel.
Ay, oil pastel.
Okay po ang pastel actually. Ito na lang po muna. Which do you like? Paint or pastel? Tingnan natin yung paint. You like to paint. Okay. Pero at first, I want you to draw this the way how you see it. Could you?
Yes.
Is it a too much of a challenge for you or you can?
Can.
I'll try.
Try.
So I'll give you a bit of skeleton. This is how you imagine this as your whole sketchbook. This is your whole page, right? And then,
Uy, kilala niyo po sa Tilara, Albano?
yes po.
Ah, sila yung, di ba homeschool provider sila?
Opo.
Yeah, no, a friend of ours. We love her. Wow, smile mo nga kayo dalawa. Kasi pero ang ginagawa namin, kailangan namin may i-document.
Okay po.
Kasi siya yung register ng school. Wait lang ha. Asan na yan?
Kilala ko po ang mami.
Ah, si Ma'am Tracy mismo?
Tracy po.
Bakit? Wait lang ha, wait lang. Nasaan ba yun? Ay, bakit ako ang kamukha nito? Wait lang ha. Ah, si Ma'am Tracy mismo. Smile! 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, talaga.
Kasi ang ano po niya, ang pamangkin po niya, best friend ko.
Ah, sino niya pamangkin?
Tini Gab.
Ah, okay. Baka hindi ko siya alam.
So you imagine this as your whole sketchbook. And as artists, usually, so that when we draw something, it's centered, we draw a cross. You try to draw a very light cross across your whole page. Yes. Okay. So now, you look at your subject. We simplify it by drawing simple shapes. So when I see that square, the red one, you first start drawing a square. And then on the second one, what shape do you see? The curve. So I'll draw the curve here. And then on the bottom, a square again, right? But there's a bit of a curve because it's a circle if you look up, right? It's a cylinder, if I'm going to be more specific, right? And then on the back, you see the leaf, right? I draw the leaf. It's okay if it's overlapping because later on, we're going to correct it by adding shades, right? So I draw the leaf. That's just a sketch. You know the sketch, right? It's rough. So on the bottom part, there's a bit of a square, right? So I want to see if you can do it too, step by step, on how you see it. How you see it, you look and then you draw, you look and then you draw. Okay? It's nice.
Ang father kasi ano yun, the art tatay.
Oh.
The artistic father, siguro ganyan din yan.
Okay. This is your banana.
Galing ati ka po.
And then on the bottom part, the cylinder, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And then the leaves. Right?
Okay, ba naman ang leaves?
Okay. And then on the bottom part, what do you see?
A square.
Okay, you try to do the squares. Right. Okay. So now, when you look at that subject, which parts do you see the light and then the darkest?
The darkest is in the middle.
Mm-hmm. And then, which is the second one?
The light is in the center of the
Yeah. Yeah. And if you're going to categorize each of the subjects, the square there, the curve, the cylinder, and then the boxes, is the red one a dark color or a light color?
dark.
Dark. Is the yellow, the curve, is it a dark color or a light color?
Light.
Light. How about the cylinder? Mid? Just mid? Or is it a dark or light? Mid. How about the bottom?
The middle one is dark and the other one is light.
Light but also dark, right? So it's going to be the mid, right? So when you look at this one, you categorize each of them. So what I want you to do is shading. So you remember, when you see the, what do you call this? The square, the red one, you shade it the dark, right? Shade it the dark. Just like what I taught you earlier, right? And then, when you see the curve, right, it's light. So you just shade it lightly. And then, on the third part, the cylinder, is light, right? But mid, right? So what I'm going to do is the middle part. And then on the bottom part is really dark, right?
Yes.
Really dark. And on that part, it's also almost the same as this one, but darker, right? So I'm going to elevate it just a little bit. Just different from this, right? So I go back. And then on the leaf,
Yeah.
it's a tricky, right? It's a
Yeah.
tricky one, right? So when you look at it, there's a lighter part. The lighter. Just like what I taught you earlier. Lighter. Lighter leaf. But then I told you earlier, right? If you see that there is no difference, you go back. So when you see the dark parts, you go shade that back in, right? You try. Kasi ito po yung tonal values na part. Kali, can you look at me as well? Smile. Okay, continue.
Sorry.
Eh, may fan pala siya.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan. So
Oo.
ngayon, na-realize ko.
Medyo malamig-lamig naman
Oo,
po.
so hindi ko lang, nagdikit pa kami ng upuan.
Okay po. You always remember that there will be differences, ha?
Sabi na pag artistic mind ka, iba yung pagtingin mo sa ano.
Opo.
Sa mga
Kinikilatos mo
bagay.
yun.
Sabi ko sa kanya nga, kung gusto mo maging artist, you have to observe the
Observance po talaga.
observe mo mga nature, lahat paano nyo just ginawa yung color na yan, yung design, para maging realistic siya, no?
Pero mabilis na po ang comprehension ni Kali. Kasi ano po siya, one word, one go.
Good job ka.
So yung lalabas po sa first exercise niya, para siyang abstract work po.
So meaning, kasi ang fine arts more on, pag say first year, second year, theory siya.
Traditional.
Oo, traditional. Yung third and fourth, yun yung application na.
Application po, and then sa digital na. Iba din po kasi ang ano yung digital. Ibang ano naman po na yun.
Done.
You're done? So this is what I usually do after doing that. I try to add the details. So you go back from drawing the shapes. What you see, you draw what you see. Okay? Then add. It's like a mat, right? So I add some of the details, okay? I go back and draw the mat. And then the curve is banana, right? So I draw the banana curve. This looks like a banana, right?
Yeah.
And then on the cylinder part, I draw a circle here. And going down. See? You see, right? The actual work. Then from here, I draw the body of the leaf. And then I draw some of the lines of the leaf. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just have to look like a leaf. In different parts. And then there. So now we have box. It's just a simple box, right? Can you do that too?
I'll try.
Okay. Nice. Good. Ikikip niyo po yung gantong drawings niya. Kasi one thing din po, pag tumatanda ang isang artist, yung mga ganyang artworks po, hindi na po yung, pagka yung child like yung innocence ng drawing, hindi na po yan nare-redraw ng isang adult. Pag gumaling na po siya. Usually po sa mga artist, if i-pursue niya yan, tapos maka-name po siya ng sarili niyang name, mas mahal po yung lumang gawa. Usually. Yun po yung laging hinahanap ng mga collectors.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, kaya meron siya, bata pa siya, may mga ganyan na siya sa bahay. Kinikip ko yun. Tapos nilagay ko sa date, may ano, para alam na, ito pala yung pagpunta. Sa core memory.
Apo. Kasi po babalikan yan pag lumaki-laki na siya. Ano, ganito po mag-drawing.
I love you. Wala naman ka.
Try to draw the banana. Try the outline of the bottom part. That's nice. Wow. Okay. That's nice. Yan ang visual perception mo ng leaves.
Done.
So to toughen up, to finish our art, what we usually do is when you look at under, right, it's the darkest, right? So you look at the parts where you put the darkest parts. So you shade again. Now look at how I shade it, huh? It's the darkest, right? The one in the scale. So when you shade in the darkest, you have to make it smaller so it's more like you don't see any white spaces. Okay? You see when we draw like this, your subject elevates. The one in front is like goes up, right?
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Shadow.
Yeah. So this is how we understand the light and the dark, the tonal values. And then on the top part, just so that it looks complete, we do a very light shadings, right?
Okay.
You try to do it on your own. Okay. On the under part, I want you to do this one, and then on the upper part, very lightly. Okay. Years old po siya, no?
8.1. 8 years and 1 month.
Done.
Okay, done. And then the upper part, very light. Much more lighter than this ones. Can you do that? Can I see? Very light-handed.
Hindi ka maglagay ng shadow din.
Done.
Okay. So I'm going to make you, just so it looks really complete, I'm going to add a little bit of sketch where you shade the rest, huh? Okay, you shade this one here from here, and then shade this one here from here. You complete the whole square that I did. You try, okay? Very aware na siya na one direction lang.
Kasi nung bata pa siya, kailangan talaga one direct, lang, sa color. One stroke. So, minsan yung mga pa-side-side pa siya. Dati ko siya pinapa-observe sa mga paligid-paligid ng mga plants, di ba?
Opo.
Nag-go sa GC, one stroke lang.
Yes.
See you. Thank you.
Very light lang siya.
Thank you, my dear.
Done.
Okay, done. So the last thing that we do whenever we do sketches is you sign it here.
Yun nga ano mo.
So this is how I sign. Hmm? 2026. So you sign it here.
Ano, may signature na yan siya kasi nga kailangan may signature na. At saka gusto ko siya, ina-expose ko siya sa mga fine arts department, sa National Museum.
Yes po,
Sa
yeah.
museum, mahilig kami sa
Para
museum.
yung mata niya.
Oo, yung observe talaga.
Besides the observation po, ma-inspire siya na, gusto ko din. Meron din ako niyan.
Yan yung exposure niya.
Done.
So, you put 2026.
Totoo talaga na signature mo. Totoo mo talaga. Don't joke. Dati siya. Ikaw pa 8.1 pa.
26.
8.1 pa. Meron na? 8.1.
Oh, you add.
8.1 depende sa months niya. So, 8 years and 1 month old. So, may mga, yan ang signature niya nilalagay.
Oh, yung cute naman. Meron siyang ano.
Para alam niya, ito 8 years and 1 month old ako dito.
Okay. Picturean ko lang.
Sali yung
Look at
ano.
me. 1, 2, 3. And can you hold your sketch pad? 1, 2, 3. And then you face this. You face there. 1, 2, 3. And then the next one is we're going to paint. Now, okay, you're done na, di ba? So now you kind of understand the whole concept of your subject. May painting paper po ba siya?
Painting?
Paper. Or hindi po. Kasi pagka, I think we can't do the paint because it's going to bleed on your paper.
Pwede siya.
So I think
Painting
what we're going to use
paper.
for now is pastels. Is it
Okay.
still okay? We'll do a painting the next session.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano yung painting paper?
Para po siyang mas makapal.
Basta hanapin ko lang siya sa Shopee.
Mixed media paper po pwede. As long as 300 GSM paper po.
Okay.
Kasi po pagka ganito po, okay din naman po mag-paint. Kasi pag bata po kasi pag control sa paint, talagang magkakalat.
Okay, sige.
Usually po pag mas makapal, mas ano po sa kanya, favorable.
Okay po. Painting paper.
Apo. Pwede rin po naman nag-canvas kaso po kasi kung on the go po, kung maalis-alis. So now you bring out your pastel.
There's your pastel.
You can also do your-
watercolor mo yan.
Or you which whatever you like actually, as long as it's pen.
Hello.
Because pastels are blendable.
Ayun, nilabas na. Yan.
Ay, ito pala.
Ay,
Nasa akin
pala,
ito pala.
oo
I'm
nga.
sorry. Isa na natin. Would you like to do the opening? Para interactive talaga sa kanya. Para make it so Okay, I'll open it for you now. Just a little bit and you do the rest. So now now which colors do we need to use? You take it out. Which colors do you think we'll need? That's all. Do you think you need to use gray for the background? Okay. So now, I want you to do again a sketch before doing the colors. So you leave that colors to me. I want you to sketch lightly. Same concept that I taught you earlier. Put the cross, but make it, because earlier, right, it's a bit smaller, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to do is make it a little bit bigger, okay? Just to center it only. That's the red one, right?
Yeah.
Meron ko palang architect's table. Check.
And the next one is,
The banana.
you can start with the cylinder and then put the banana next. Okay. With the scaling. And the banana. Make sure your banana is big. Okay. Okay. And would you like me to help you with the banana?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit bigger. I'm going to color over it anyway, right?
Yeah.
Let's make it a little bit bigger. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You continue. The squares at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So now the leaves.
Done.
Okay. So now when you're coloring, it's a reverse thing. So remember, we were identifying the lightest to the darkest, right?
Yeah.
So now, when you are coloring something, you have to start with the lightest.
Mm.
Don't forget the details, ha? Of the leaves and all. Okay?
Start with the lightest. Okay.
Kasi pag sa kulay, pag nag-start ka sa light, at least mahahabol mo kung ano man yung mali. Pagka kasi nag-start ka na po sa dark, hindi mo na po siya mabubura.
Okay.
Hindi mo na siya ma-remedy.
Ito sa art na ma-realize mo na kahit nasa tingin mo na mali ka, meron pa rin siyang paraan. Wala siyang escape, diba? Wala siyang end. Wala siyang point.
Apo.
Oo.
You start with anywhere na
Oo,
kung saan ka
oo.
po comfortable.
Kasi yung minsan yung accident mo, yung pa yung nagiging maganda.
Yes po.
Yun yung maganda, yung mamagbi na perspective ng art.
Usually naman po kasi, kaya pinag-aaralan ko talaga yung principles ng ganyan na from yung mga ganito po, na parang skeleton. Para po pagka tinitignan na po siya, pag ina-assess na po siya, meron siyang fundamental, may mga kagaya po daw sa medtech, kailangan po meron kayong fundamentals before kayo magiging credible.
Done.
Is done? Up, still here. The yellow still up at the here.
Done.
Okay, which is next for you? Okay.
Busy ka today ka.
You see, this is what I am telling you. That's why you have to start light. Nag-mix po kasi siya.
Oo.
Pero yan yung
Okay,
secondary
change
color.
na siya.
Na yan yung next lesson. Mas maganda po kasi na i-internalize ng ganyan yung mga kulay. Pag tinuro ko lang po kasi na this is primary.
O kaya nga, sabi ko, di madali lang yun, parang pwede naman yun laruin sa
Yes,
bahay. Pero kung hindi mo alam yung the behind.
Ito po yung immersive yung nakikita niya po. Na natatest yung utak niya. Ano tong mga to?
Dati naalala ko talaga, dito ako nag-grade 1, yung nanay ko, exam namin yung color na ganyan. Grabe pa naman i-exam ako na para ako malulumpo. Kasi hindi ko alam i-mix mo yung dalawang color, hindi ko masagot kung ano siya.
Apo.
Ngayon ko lang siya, grabe, ngayon ko lang siya naintindihan na nasa rainbow lang palang sagot. Sa gitna, yun yung mga nila,
Apo.
mixture. Galing ng Panginoon, no?
Opo.
Galing talaga niya.
Done.
Okay, next. Kaya yung mga color na yun, hindi ko makakalimutan kasi malumpo ako sa grade 1 pala.
What's next? The red, right? The upper?
The down.
The down. Oh, you want the down. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Just take what's the color next?
So, hindi pala yun na natatuwid mo ngayon. When you don't know what to do. Just color on there. Tama. Uy, I love you naman dyan. Dami mo ng bitbit ngayon. Feeling ko maganda yung pastel, no? Maganda siya, no? Pastel ka pala ko.
Make the leaves bigger. You see it overlaps up there, right? I'll try to make it a little bit bigger. You can add a little bit of spice of going up here, but don't go over here, huh? You see, oh? Right. Yeah. Yeah, don't go scared. Yeah.
Oh, parang hindi siya kakalat. I put this here.
How about the under?
Dami pa ng color, no? Hindi lang magasasa ng color, no?
Obserbahan niyo na yung mga dark to light niya.
God is a great artist, ano?
Ay, kayo po ay Adventist din po.
Pero may modes ka. You-observe mo na. You-observe. Not all brown.
It's nice. How about the other blue?
Okay.
Other side. So now you're done. I want you to go back from here, but a little bit. This is what I want you to do. Since there are still remaining whites out there, you have to shade it on a different direction. Here this time, but smaller. So it looks, similar. You try this one. You look at how I do it. Continue. Make it a bit more smaller. We're going longer. Like this. This would take more time, but it will make your artwork more elevated. Because if you go this long, it shows. But if you go smaller, you can't see the difference. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Smaller shade. Sorry. Because when you do a smaller ones, it would look as if your artwork took more time. But if you show bigger lines, it means that you did it really fast.
Okay. Detail.
Yes. And usually artists would look at that. If you took more time or it took you really fast to do it. Yun yung one indication ng mga artists pag tinitingnan yung artwork. Binilisan niya lang.
Tapos gently. Patiently.
Nice. So I'm going to help you with outlining, ha? Just a bit of outlining of the cylinder so we could see it. You're good with it? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Para lang makita yung outline. You see? The next time you try to redo this one on your own, okay? See?
Kita mo siya doon.
And you put dark parts here, oh. Remember when I told you about the shading? It gives more value to your artwork. And then also, same thing that I told you here. When you do this direction, right? When you were doing this time I want you to do the direction, but this direction, okay?
Okay.
You know that you're working with primary colors, right?
Yeah.
sa elementary this coming June or summer classes po nila, magtuturo din po ako doon ng art class. Ako. Pero more on a big group po yun. So I think this would be more better sa kanya pag one-on-one kasi homeschool po eh.
Tsaka makafocus.
Ako, focus.
Pag meron mga kasama minsan.
Medyo maano po kasi malaki po yung
Kaya ako may mas prefer ko ng one-on-one.
yun nga din po yung mga sinabi sa akin ng mga parents din po.
Oh, kasi kung pag may marami, minsan nagkukwentuhan.
Baka ma-distract nga po siya.
So, ito talaga, me, myself, and I.
Yes. Wala kang choice. Gagawin mo.
Pinangarap mo yan. So, go. Ang galing.
Alam niyo kung saan yung
design ka.
Okay. So I want you to do this one also. You see that it's a bit of lighter brown, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to overlap the lines that you did. Just add a little bit of highlight, right? Do you see?
Yeah.
I'm doing here. I'm going to do the first strand. Then you follow up after me, ha?
Okay.
Okay, first strand from up to down. I'm just following the lines that you did. And you do the rest.
So, hindi lang pala... Kung ano ngayon ko lang siya na-internalize, hindi lang siya pure red. May brown din siya, no? Dark brown. Ay, galing. Parang ano lang siya. Para siyang, ang art para siyang rock. No, wala pa rin siyang magkakatulad. Pero specific. Depende sa paano mo siya na-visualize. Don't you compare yourself with other people.
Iba-iba. Kahit po taho, di ba?
Ang dami.
Okay. So now what I need you to do, since the yellow part is kind of, you can't see it anymore, right? Because of the strong colors. What I want you to do is outline it again. You have to remember all your elements, that it should be balanced, right? You try your own. Just cover the lines of your pencil with that color. Okay. Much better. It's nice. And then another one. You're still good? Maka na ano na siya. Another one would be, I would make this a little bit bigger, the leaves. Would you be fine with it? Okay. Make it a little bit bigger so that we could just fill in the gaps, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to follow the leaves that you draw earlier, right?
Yeah.
It has this shapes, right? Same shapes that you did earlier. We'll just follow what you did, huh? And then here. Does this look good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you try to fill the colors with that one. This one, okay? Try to mix it in.
So may outline. Start muna sa light color, tapos sunod-sunod na siya. Okay. Tapos dark, tapos yung light naman, parang shadow. Tao ba ka?
Alright. Almost done.
Saan po kayo nakatira, ma'am?
Diyan lang po ko sa Spring Kahoy.
Dun
Diyan po sa Tagalog Church. Yung
okay. Sa baba. Okay. Good.
Nag-church din po ba kayo to, Nor? Sa AUP po kayo, Nor?
Meron kaming, alam mo yung kubo?
Sa
Para siyang malapit sa Lanting. In front of Lanting. Malapit sa Heritage.
okay po, familiar po. May mga
May
friends
mga, di ba, pang pandemic noon,
Yes,
nag-start up
po.
ng mga small churches.
sa mga small churches.
Done.
Done na. Okay na. So, baba tayo. You try to, one more time, one more filling in of yellow of the whole banana. So, it would look really bright.
Para siya mag-stand out na yun.
Mm-mm. Mhm. It's okay? Okay.
Done.
Done. Now, looking from that one, right? If you go from here to here, it's gray, right? You fill the whole in with gray. I'm going to start from here. And try to fill it in. I'm going to just fill this up. This part. So it will not be overflow. And then the rest is yours. Okay. I'll just fill this up. From here, we try. Turn up, huh? Filling it with fill the whole page with gray, huh? And use this one so that your works will not be smudged. Alright. Nice. Okay. Almost done. Happy. Are you liking what you're doing?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied? Rate it from 1 to 10.
10.
I love it. Do you like the subject that I prepared for you?
Yes.
Will you be excited from the next session that I'm going to give you?
Yes.
Almost there.
Wow. Kasi para mas stand out siya.
Okay. Good. Just a little bit of detail. Do you want me to give you a little bit of detail? Okay. You see? And this one. I'm trying to fill this up in. This is a darker blue, right?
Yeah.
And then one more time. About the red one. What I want you to do is add a little bit of redder side here. Same with the rest of the columns. You know the columns, right? You try.
Stick real na.
It becomes, you know, pop trap. And on the last part, one more time, just a bit lighter. You see the lines that she did, right? The small lines. I'd like you to follow it, but very lightly. Okay? The lines that she did. Okay?
Light talaga lang. Light, isang stroke lang.
It's like a mix. See? So it will stand out. Okay?
Character development talaga siya, no?
Opo.
Self-control.
Tsaka ano po siya eh, trust the process kasi sa una parang hindi mo nakikita.
Customer ka sa process ka dyan.
At first you don't see if it will really stand out or not. So you have to add. And you have to identify where to add. Ay, sorry. Inilipat ko muna dyan. Hindi na ako narinig. Yung phone siya. So now what I want you to do, the last part, is try to think of what you can add on your own. Diba, remember I was telling you, you add this, you add that. If you're looking at it, if you want to improve your work more, which parts would you like to add more colors to it? Okay, sure. Do you know that if you mix blue and red, it becomes purple? Yeah, you like purple. And what is a violet? Is it a primary or a secondary? Do you know? Violet is a secondary color. I'm going to check if I'm right. I think ano pala yun, tertiary ata yun. Yeah, it's a tertiary color.
Violet. Kasi
may
purple ang secondary.
purple.
Kasi yung nasa rainbow,
Secondary po.
yung
Ang
mix-mix.
secondary color po ay when you mix yellow and red,
mag-green.
becomes green. Ay, nalilitan na din ako.
Basta sa rainbow.
Pag sa rainbow po, ayan, meron
Yung mix is Tapos red and blue is equals red and blue purple. Red and yellow orange. Yellow and blue green. Blue and red purple.
if you mix yan, yellow and blue, it becomes green. Yun po ang secondary. And nag-keep din po ako.
Minsan no, pag may mga basic, yun pa talaga makakalimutan natin, no?
Confusing po kasi. Do you think you're doing it wrong or... Yeah. Would you like that? You good? Then you sign it with the darkest color that you find here. Sign. Which one do you want to use as a signage?
Oh.
That one? Okay. And then you sign it here. Hello. At this space.
Po, susunod, ano ka na talaga, artist ka na talaga, binasign ka na talaga dyan, my dear. 8.1! Kalimutan mo na ang totoo mong signature with the antlers. With the curl pa. Good.
Yeah, okay na. Tapos na, no? So, let's go back to your very first page. So, you have, what? 2 artworks made today.
Wow.
The sketch. You remember the values that I taught you, right? The light, the dark.
Light to
And then this is your primary colors. So I want you to go back here and use this one. This is your primary colors. You do it as if I'm doing like this. You hold this one. And whenever I do the testing of my colors, I do this. Swatches. Under here. You can do whatever position you like. I'm just doing this one. You see? This is my primary colors. You color however you like. So that is your primary colors. Let's do secondary colors. Red plus yellow equals orange. You try here. And then you mix it together.
Pwede mo siyang mix.
There are
How about this one? You mix yellow and blue. You get green. You try it. Then yellow, blue, you get, you mix blue and red, you get purple. Yeah, your favorite color, right?
Yeah.
If it doesn't look purple, you go back and add more till it becomes purple. So hanggang secondary po muna tayo para ma-internalize niya. Mas madami po siyang ginawa.
Thank you so much. Matamos na. May artist award ka na. Napodiscuss na yan.
So you name it. You write it. My primary colors.
My MY.
With pencil. You use pencil.
My primary.
This one. My primary colors.
MY. My. Y. M. Mountain. Y. Space. P. R. Prime. I. M.
M.
A. Mountain. A.
A.
Primary. R. Y. Primary space. C. O. L. O. R. Lord.
S. And then on the right side, you write my secondary colors.
Yes, my pa rin again.
Yes.
M.
My
My.
second S
S. E.
E
C.
C
O.
O
And
M.
second. D. E. R. Baba. Space.
colors.
C.
And then under, you write red, yellow, and blue under. Try. Red, R-E-D. R. E. D. And then B. L. U. U, and then E, and then yellow, Y, E, L, L, O, W,
Yellow.
and then
Space.
and then under my secondary color, orange, green, and blue, and purple, right? Purple, violet for specific. So orange, O, R, A, N, G, G, and E. And then green, G, R, E, E, N. And then your favorite color, violet, V, I, O, L, E, E, T. And then the last but the least, your sign and then the date today.
Yes, perfect na yun siya.
And then we're done.
Yay! Kali 8.1.
Okay. First lesson done with Kali.
Yay! Tama lang din kasi next week wala kami, no?
Okay.
Kasi bebe, photo mo palawan. Ha? And then yung signature pa. Yung totoo mo signature.
Also, Kali, I also want you to sign here.
Wow!
Because this is your first session with me. Okay. Can I take pictures of your artworks?
Yay!
I-sign? Mine ha?
Pwede kita itag.
Opo, tag niyo po
Sige
ako.
po.
First session din po niya. Isasend ko rin po sa inyo yung mga pictures ko.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Kali. Wait lang, picturean ko lang yung artworks mo.
Picture na with tatay. Ready. Artist na. Artist award ka dyan, dear.
Could you stand beside the art? And then mas picturean kita, Kali. Smile, Kali. One more.
Smile. Wag na smile. Pa totoo mo. Smile.